personally, it's the everything for me. Like, just 10s across the board. Everything, mwah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today's hair is from Nadula hair. It is a 13 by 6 14-inch bob. Well, not really a bob actually, because when I say it's 14-inch, it wasn't like it was a blunt cut bob, everything ending here. Nah, it had a bit of a layered look. Like, okay, up here ends here, down here ends there. Like, you get what I mean. It has a bit of a layered look. So I guess it's just a regular, I don't know what to call it, but it's not a bob. It's just 14 inches of hair. I couldn't tell you what density it is. I ended up adding like a few tracks into the unit because I didn't quite like the layered look it gave me. I look sweet, I look great. My inspiration for this style was Arrogant Tay and Ari, but God knows if it doesn't look like the hairstyle, that wasn't my inspiration, okay? As you've clicked this video, I'm guessing you want to know how I installed this unit. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and watch on. Guys, a lot has happened since we last saw each other. I don't even know what to tell you. Maybe one day we'll talk about why I'm bored, because I personally don't know. What I know is that I got some scissors and just went a bit crazy. So to begin, as my face is already all made up, I am going to just clean off my hairline. I haven't got a mirror, so I'm looking at my little screen. You guys can really see my everything, my secrets. You can see me. Oh, it's cold as hell, you know. And you know what's so weird to me now? Like, I can actually stroke my head. It feels so weird. Yeah, ooh, check, I am flames. I don't know if I'm gonna wear a cap because realistically, like, look, I actually don't need the cap because there's no hair. So I might just get to sticking this down. I look so busted. I tried to film this video before, but the lighting was so pants. And yeah, that's why we're here again. And I'm not cutting the lace on camera and whatnot. I feel like my wigs are very rookie-ish. Like, I don't really trace my hairline. I just go with the shape of the wig and call it a day. I don't know. Should I try and... yeah, I just go with the way the wig looks already, rather than catering to my... yeah, I'm gonna actually try and make it a bit... hold on guys, I'll be back. Okay, so I've quickly like traced my hairline, so now you can see the frontal part of the wig actually doesn't just kiss my whole face, like it's going in line with the shape of my hairline. We're beginning with the my Got2B Styling Gel. Just that on the back of my hand. It's actually nearly finished. Yeah, so quite a bit, because I'm gonna mix some of it with my design foam and then just put the rest like on top of the lace. I'll be mixing the front bit, that little portion there, with just like one little squirt of the Elasta design foam. And then along the hairline. This just looks so funny because I don't have any hair. And just let it dry.
A few moments later.
So that's the first layer. I'm just going to bring that forward. Get a comb to help me melt it in. So you can see that it looks pretty already. So now I'm going over on the lace with some Got2B gel. Underneath the lace is the Elasta QP and the Got2B gel, and on top of the lace is the Got2B gel, so that when I tie it down it can all melt and sink in. And now time for the ear tabs. So just some Got2B gel. Everything feels super flat. So just let that get a bit tacky. And then when that gets tacky, I'm literally just going to tie down my edges with this elastic band. So while that's all setting and whatnot, I'm just gonna style my hair. The length of the hair makes it very weird. I need to think. I think the best way to style it is like some light waves. The products I put on my hair, like my heat protector, my curling ones, and like duck clips, I'll list them all below in the description bar because I'm gonna speed through this bit. Just gonna finger detangle this. You know, so crazy, like the wig isn't sitting on anything, so it's just floating at the back and it feels so weird. But we move, we'll get over it soon. Just yeah, look, this is looking very Farrah Fawcett-ish, you know, Cat Williams perm style, something, I don't know. So taking off my band, and everything has dried and it is soft. I really need a bigger mirror. So I'm just gonna comb everything up. Any parts of my skin that have like a bit of Got2B, I'm just wiping the excess with a wipe, you know. Look at it. For the body, maybe I shouldn't be wearing the black top for you guys to really see, but yeah. Now just to get that bit to lie down, I'm going to spray some of my design foam just on the hair. So with that curling wand again. Oh, that is hot! Oh, Lord of Jesus, that is hot. I can feel it right on my head. So just flatten. Oh, that is hot. Oh no. And the front as well. I like my little bit of height. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, look at that. That looks so cute. Nice and flat. I might like tie down my hair with a scarf because it's looking a bit crazy. And with the way I have stuck down the wig, the lace, well, it has dried very softly. It isn't a hard hold, so I can just manipulate it nicely. I look like a responsible lady. Why would you like to be president? I need some baby hairs. I think I do. I'm gonna separate them. Let me just separate them off camera because I can't see. My eyesight is really failing me. Okay, so I've sectioned out my little baby hairs. With a bit of Got2B on my toothbrush, I'm just gonna mold these. Also just a bit of the mousse so it's not hard. and a bit of, again, Got2B, just swoop that in place, get it looking cute, get it looking right, and then this side here. Okay, this side is like being disobedient, so 2 out of 3 I'm gonna do one off camera, because okay, so now you guys can really get a gist of how my hair looks. It is, there's a lot of body, the waves are nice, they're not too small. Yeah, like I said, it's the everything for me. Like it just works. The hair is very light and fluffy, it moves. Obviously I have no hair underneath, so yeah, the wig itself moves. If there's anything I haven't covered, please do drop me a comment. First and foremost, read the description bar because I leave absolutely everything you need to know in there. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and let me know if you'd like to see a review on the hair. Thank you for tuning into this video. Bye.